Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need is 1 tomato diced. Now, what you want to get is some lettuce. I like to chop mine really thin like this because I feel like it's easier to put inside the taco. You're gonna get your avocado. I like to make really thin slits in there. And then use a spoon and scoop it all out. Okay, you're gonna place this into the fridge and then we're gonna move on to the beef. You're gonna saute it on medium-high heat until it's partially cooked, and then you're gonna take your taco seasoning and you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of this in there. I feel like this is just the right amount of taste. I don't add any onions or anything like that, just really quick. Adds the right amount of flavor. Okay, now it's time for the taco shells. Okay, I like to grab 2 forks. One is to hold the shape and the other one is scooping in the oil, and you're flipping it and you keep flipping it till you get that golden brown color. Time to build the taco. And no, those are not real bugs. Ta-da! And there they are. Enjoy!